Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to adjust the amount of words that pop up on each subtitles on your clips in CapCut. So here I already add a clips and I've already add the subtitles using the auto captions, and here to adjust the amount of words you can just do it manually. So first click on and the subtitles and then click on the batch edit, and here you'll be shown with the subtitles. So let's say I want to make the subtitle the words appear two words, for example, on each subtitle. So you can just click on space after two words, click on enter like this, so that it will be divided like this. Okay, two words. You can just do it one by one like this. Okay, when you're done, you can just click on the check icon, and here will be the result. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and click on the thanks button below. Thank you.